Measures of dispersion, part 4.
Hello everyone. In this session we will discuss few 7 marks questions. So these are very important for annual examinations. ఈ వీడియోని స్కిప్ చేయకుండా ఎండ్ వరకు చూడండి. అలాగే మన ఛానల్ ఎవరైనా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకునే వాళ్ళంటే ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ అవర్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. So here mean deviation about the mean for discrete frequency distribution. So clear this is group data of first type, that is discrete frequency distribution. So here we know that let x1 comma x2 comma and so on xn. So these are what? N observations, and we can consider their frequencies f1 comma f2 comma and so on fn. Now we know that discrete frequency means the both observations and frequencies are there. Then the type of frequency is called a discrete frequency distribution. Then mean, we know that meaning is denoted by x bar, which is equals to sigma xi fi divided by n. So this is mean formula. Here n is sum of the frequencies, that is sigma fi. So next, mean deviation about the mean. So this formula is what? Sigma fi into modulus of xi minus x bar, so which is divided by n. So this is the mean deviation about the mean. So based on this we have few 7 marks questions. So next we will discuss problems on this concept. Now see the question number 1. Find the mean about the mean for the following data. So clearly the given data contains observations and frequencies. So therefore which is called as a discrete frequency distribution. First write xi values. Next write fi values. And we know that mean formula is what? X bar equal to sigma xi fi by n. So first we can find xi into fi values. After that n value. Xi into fi means you should multiply xi and fi values. 2 into 6 12, 5 into 8 40, 7 into 10 70, 8 into 6 48, 10 into 8 80, 35 into 2 70. And we know that capital N is what? Sum of the frequencies. So add all these frequencies. So which is equals to 40. Next we can add again all these xi fi values. So which is equals to what? Sigma xi fi. So here you should add all this. You will get 320. Okay. So therefore what is x bar formula? Which is equal to sigma fi xi divided by n. So which is equal to, what is sigma fi xi values? 320. 320 which is divided by n. What is capital N value? 40. So here 0 0 cancel, 4 8s. Therefore the value of x bar which is equals to 8. Okay. Mean deviation about the mean formula is sigma fi modulus xi minus x bar by n. So first you can find modulus of xi minus x bar. After that fi into mod xi minus x bar. First xi minus x bar. So modulus of xi minus x bar. Next fi into modulus of xi minus x bar. See here xi minus x bar values. See here xi minus x bar means 2 minus 8, that is minus 6, mod is there, plus 6. Next 5 minus 8, 5 minus 8, that is 3. 7 minus 8, 1, write positive only because of modulus is there. 8 minus 8, 0. 10 minus 8, 2. 35 minus 8, 27. Next we can find fi into mod xi minus x bar. So multiplying mod xi minus x bar with fi. 6 into 6, 36, 8 into 3, 24, 10 into 1, 10, 6 into 0, 0, 8 into 2, 16, 2 into 27, 54. Now we should add all these values. So what will you get? 140. Now using this table we can find mean deviation about the mean. So here we know that mean deviation about the mean formula. So which is equals to what? Sigma fi into modulus of xi minus x bar, which is divided by n. So clearly what you got? Sigma fi into xi minus x bar 140. And what is capital N value? 40. So clearly 0 0 get cancelled, which is 14 by 4. So here which is equals to what? 3.5. Therefore mean deviation about the mean value is 3.5. So next concept, mean deviation about the mean for continuous frequency distribution. This is also called step deviation method. So here continuous frequency distribution means if the given problem contains class intervals like 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30 like that. So that is called what? Continuous frequency distribution. So in that we have mean formula. So here for finding the mean, let small a be the assumed mean and xi be the midpoint of the class interval and the new variable di, which is equals to xi minus a, which is divided by h, where h is called length of class interval. Now the mean defined as, that is, then the x bar mean is equals to a plus sigma fi di, which is divided by n into h. Here fi is the frequencies and di is xi minus a by h and h is the length of the class interval. A is assumed mean. So this is the mean formula. Next, mean deviation about the mean. So this formula is the same, doesn't change. That is sigma fi modulus of xi minus x bar, which is divided by n. Okay. So this is called a step deviation method or continuous frequency distribution. So based on this we have few 7 marks questions. We will discuss the problems now. So next see the second question. Find the mean deviation about the mean of the following data. See here clearly the given problem contains what? Class intervals. So therefore which is called what? Continuous frequency distribution or step deviation method. Okay. See here in that we have mean formula, that is x bar is equals to a plus sigma fi di, which is divided by n into h. Next, what is mean deviation about the mean formula? So which is equals to sigma fi into modulus of xi minus x bar, which is divided by n. Okay. So first here we can construct the table. First write class interval. Next, frequencies, that is fi. Next, we know that di, what is di here? Di equal to xi minus a divided by h. So you can find xi. So xi is called what? Midpoint of the class interval. Next, we can find di. So write di. After di we can find fi di. Fi di. After that, modulus of xi minus x bar. So next, fi into modulus of xi minus x bar. So you can write all these values. Now we can find midpoint of the class interval, that is what xi. So what is the midpoint of 0 and 10? 5. Midpoint of 10 and 20? 15. Midpoint of 20, 30. 25. Next 35. Next 45. Next we can find di value. What is di? Xi minus a divided by h. So first we can take assumed mean. So we can take any midpoint of the class interval, that is called what? Assumed mean. For example, let us consider the assumed mean is some 25. So not only 25, we can consider either 5 or 15 or 35 or 45, anything. Now we can find di values, that is xi minus a divided by h. And what is h? H is the length of the class interval. What is the length of 0 and 10? 10 only. So just a difference. Now di equal to what? Xi minus a by h. What is xi? 5. 5 minus a. 5 minus 25. That is minus 20. Minus 20 divided by 10. That is minus 2. Next, xi values. 15 minus 25. That is minus 10 by minus 10. Minus 1. So clearly next we will get 0, 1, 2 obvious. Next we can find fi and di. Multiplying di values with frequency. 5 into minus 2. Minus 10. 8 into minus 1. Minus 8. 15 into 0. 0. 16 into 1. 16. 6 into 2. 12. Now we can find mean, that is x bar. So here we know that mean x bar is equal to, what is the formula? A plus sigma fi di, which is divided by n into h. So first we can find sigma fi di values. So add all these values. So what will get? Sigma fi di, that is 10. And what is n? N is what? Sum of the frequencies. So add all these frequencies. You will get 50. This is what? Capital N. And h is 10. Substitute the values. A is 25 and sigma fi di 10, n 50, h 10. So therefore x bar is equals to, what is a? 25 plus sigma fi di 10 divided by n 50 into h 10. Clearly 0, 0 get cancelled. 5 ones, 5 twos. So what is x bar value? 27. Therefore x bar is equals to what? 27. Modulus of xi minus x bar, that is 5 minus 27 minus 22. Modulus is there, we can write positive values only. 22. Next 15 minus 27 minus 12, but here modulus is there, plus 12. Next 25 minus 27, 2. Next 35 minus 27, 8. Next 45 minus 27, 18. And multiplying with frequency fi. 5 into 22, 110. Next 8 into 12, 96. 15 into 2, 40. 16 into 8, 128. 6 into 18, 108. Now we should add all this, you will get 472. That is what? Sigma fi into modulus xi minus x bar. Now we can find mean deviation about the mean. We know that mean deviation about the mean formula, sigma fi modulus xi minus x bar by n. So this is 472 and n is 50. We can calculate this, you will get 9.44. So this is what? Mean deviation about the mean value. So try to solve this question. Find the mean deviation from the mean of the following data using step deviation method. This is also similar to previous question. If you have any doubts in this video, please comment. అలాగే వీడియో నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ అండ్ షేర్ చేయండి. సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.